All right, for today's problem, we have a P0442 EVAP small leak detected. We are working on a 2004 Toyota Highlander. Customer complaint, check engine light and vehicle stability light are on. We've cleared the codes once just to make sure it wasn't a loose gas cap. The light is back on. So today we're going to diagnose it. First step is we're going to locate the service port for the EVAP system. And I'm going to get my smoke machine connected to there. All right, well, maybe it's a filler neck. We've got a bunch of smoke coming out around the cap area. I don't know if it's actually, might just need a gas cap. Yeah, looks like it's leaking right at the gas cap. I'm going to verify that the vent doesn't come out by the cap, but I got to figure that out. But the smoke's definitely coming out of the cap there. So inspecting the gas cap, I don't see any large cracks that would make the cap leak as bad as it did. I'm kind of wondering with the coloration inside the filler neck here, if it isn't rusted and leaking underneath this plastic part. I'm gonna have to make sure that I seal, because I'm not sure that it's the gas cap. I think it might be the filler neck. So I shoved that in there to kind of block it off, and I'm still seeing a ton of smoke. It looks like it's coming from around the filler neck and not out of the inside of it. Because it's not even coming out the end of the hose here. I'm gonna have to look behind there. All right, so I pulled the gas cap off and I'm gonna turn the machine on, and I think it's coming from the outside of the filler neck. Yeah, it's not coming from out of the tube, it's coming from around the outside. So maybe the vent runs up behind the quarter panel in there. And that's the actual place it's supposed to vent from. I don't think it's a gas cap at this point. So looking the system over, it does appear this tube on this side runs directly over to above the muffler where the canister is. So I'm gonna pinch the hose off up in here to see if we can pressurize the system, because I believe that it was just taking the fresh air vent and leaking around the gas cap up top, but I don't think it's actually the fuel cap. So hopefully this works. All right, with the vent pinched off, I don't hardly have any smoke coming out of here at all. And my smoke machine's going down like it's completely closed. So we're looking for a very small leak anyway. It definitely is not the gas cap. I can pop this off and get a bunch of smoke out, I bet. Oh, I can smell the fuel coming out. And you can see the gauge going way up here. It was down here a second ago. So I'll put the cap back on. And then the gauge will drop. So what I did there was I pinched it off right there as the fresh air inlet to the EVAP system. So we're going to be looking for a small leak, or probably an electrical valve not doing its job. So I'm going to get the system completely pressurized again. Just thought I'd show you exactly where that was at. Well, after visibly seeing this very small leak, you can see the needle bouncing. I've stared at the bottom of this car and I cannot find it. So then I decided to look under the hood, and this is what I found. Under this intake plate, there's a crack in this hose right here. You can barely see the smoke coming out. I don't know if the phone will pick it up. Oh, you can see the clamps moved a little bit there. It's not showing up on there. Hang on a second. All right, so I threw a little soap water on there. You can actually hear it. Yeah. The smoke's really hard to see. It doesn't even show up on the camera, but I'm pretty positive this is my brake. I'm gonna replace this hose and we'll recheck it. All right, so with this section of hose with that crack in it being replaced, that needle or the ball should drop all the way to the bottom and stop moving here real soon. All right, so the ball has completely rusted and I still have it on. I can actually shut it off. Wait a few seconds. Turn it back on. There's still nothing going in. Saw the needle jump just for a second. It's pressurized. I had a small leak where I had my hose connected underneath the hood here. So, but it's sealed. The ball's not moving. I'll turn the machine back on again. You can see it's resting. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the gas cap off. Just create a massive leak. And instantly our ball goes back up. So, again, put the gas cap back on. And now the system will slowly build pressure again. This will just double verify that there's no leak. And there it is. We just achieved 4 PSI. I think it's set to 4 PSI. It's either 3 or 4. So, system is sealed. So this was the actual problem. A split in a hose like that, where the rubber has become brittle and wants to break and crack, was causing our emissions leak. All right, so the P0442 on this Toyota Highlander came from this vacuum hose. It obviously got hard and brittle from the heat underneath the engine cover here, because this plastic engine cover hides it. So I didn't see it when I first opened the hood and actually hooked the smoke machine up to this EVAP port, but connected right to it right here is where the cracks were. So if you don't have a smoke machine, you can obviously visibly inspect all of these hoses and make sure that you don't see any cracks up here. Obviously, if I would have started there, I would have been a little further ahead, but no matter what, I would have always hooked the smoke machine up just so that way I can verify exactly where the leak is. Even though I would have saw this cracked, I would have probably made sure that the smoke machine was connected, verified that it was leaking, and that it fixed it when I did fix it. So this one should be all taken care of. We're gonna clear the codes out and the problem should be gone.